Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To not find the solution about Twitter, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to the window of Twitter. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can go to Play Store. If you'll find your update in this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.